This is the Expert TA Spring 2018 Development Release video. I'm going to show you some of the new features you can expect to see inside of your Expert TA account as an instructor. The first feature I'd like to talk about is the publish date you can now associate with assignments. The publish date is the date an assignment becomes visible to students in their list. If you're creating an assignment and don't want students to see it yet, you can simply have that date set to sometime in the future until you're ready for the assignment to show up to students in their list. Secondly, we're going to look at where you can find our new standalone free body diagram drawing problems. Specifically, I'm going to scroll down on the page and give us more access to the chapters list that we can open up. And we're looking at the list here in our default library view, meaning we give you access to every intro physics problem we've got access to in the system. And in this case, I'm going to go directly to Chapter 5, Newton's Laws, without expanding any of the individual sections. Down here at the bottom, sections 8 and 9 are where you can locate the standalone free body diagram drawing problems that we now give you access to, both those in equilibrium and those with a net acceleration. If I expand those two sections, you get a glimpse at what those look like. And in our general pool up here at the top, sections 1 through 7, we've also incorporated the free body diagram drawing functionality into some of our existing questions, such as the one I'm showing you now, 571. These problems will be designated with an IFBD tag next to the problem number. You can see down here at the bottom that a free body diagram drawing is going to be expected. We also highly encourage you to utilize the introductory video to free body diagram drawings available at the very top of your chapters list. And this is also a useful feature to get students some basic interaction with the tool and how they're expected to use it. And for instructors, we have a full featured video also available on our website that you can access to get more information about this feature directly. We go back up to the top, and the next feature I'd like to talk about is our ability to search for students in both the class grade sheets and assignment grade sheets. I'm going to go into a previous class where I've got a number of mock students to demonstrate this feature. I'm going to open up the class grade sheet, and from here we'll be able to see a new search box above the list of students and grades that show down below. Inside this box you can actually type in a student's first name or last name or email address or student ID number. I'm going to search using a first name, student with the name Maria. You can hit enter or you can use the search button, and that student will now come into view. I can see the student's grades, and again, an easy tool that you can use to locate students, especially if you've got someone expected to come into your office. You want to look at their grades with them as they're there. You can have it up and ready to go, and you can clear to get all the students back in the list available to search and use a new search item up here at the top. And lastly, I'd like to talk about our new LMS integration that became available at the beginning of the spring semester. The LMS integration currently exists with Canvas, and you definitely want to have this set up before students will register in your class. And as a part of that LMS integration, students will have single sign-on, so they can log into Canvas with their existing Canvas information. And when they get redirected to Expert TA for assignments, the registration happens during that seamless process. Also, live grade sync happens between assignments and Expert TA over to Canvas. And again, once that's in place, within a minute or two at most, student grades, once they're in the system, will be transported over and visible to them all in one place. So from the screen, when you create or edit a class, that integration is set up here. The list of providers are shown. You click to proceed with integration. And if you need more information on this particular feature, we've got from the expertta.com website, an LMS integration document that'll walk you through those step-by-step instructions. And of course, you can contact your account manager for more information on that as well. Thank you, and let us know if you have any information or questions related to these new features, you can email us main@theexpertga.com. Have a wonderful day.